Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have a Summer Code Jam project, week 2, Landscape Night Day by Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy used text coding to create this awesome game, and you can click day or night to switch the animation. Next we have Planet Space by Wyatt Lipscomb. In their code, we can see when I receive blocks, switch to background blocks, set blocks, broadcast blocks, and if-then blocks as well. Fly through space in this awesome game and explore the universe. And here we have Breakout by Jburger. Jburger created this cool text coding project based off of the classic Brick Breaker game. Lastly, we have TVV5 by Eggboy. Looking at Eggboy's code, we can see some set blocks, switch to costume blocks, and if then and set layer blocks too. Relax and flip through some channels on this cool TV. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!